The exercise today will be about forgiving someone else, which will be healing for us. And I suppose it's possible also to turn some aspect of yourself into someone else. If you want to put Mr. Sugar up there, that might work, but you can let me know afterwards. Okay, so if you like to relax and close your eyes. The Course teaches us that we get upset with other people because they remind us of what is unhealed and unforgiven in ourselves. And when this part is healed in us, we will only have compassion for their behavior. So the keynote in this exercise is people you have not forgiven are mirrors to what is unforgiven in yourself. So we'll begin with some relaxation. Let's just take 2 or 3 deep breaths to help you be here. And with the next breath, just breathe in and tense the muscles of the legs. And as you breathe out, just relax the muscles. With the next breath, just tense the muscles of the stomach. And then as you breathe out, relax your stomach. Then breathe in and tense the arms and make fists of the hands. And relax as you breathe in. Breathe in and squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then relax. Lastly, check that your head and neck are relaxed. You can turn around a bit. Now, always there, always present is that spirit, that presence of love and healing. Knows you so completely, but has no judgment of you. Always waiting to be welcomed. It can't go against your free will, so we just take a moment to quietly invite that presence of love, that presence of healing. If you want to use a name like Jesus or God or Goddess, to choose the name you want. You can imagine there's a light shining down upon you, or a hand you hold, a warm presence that encircles you. You may already know someone you're losing your peace, where forgiveness is needed. Or you can ask this guide now to show you someone where forgiveness is needed. Doesn't matter if they're alive or dead, someone on television. Perhaps someone you thought you did forgive, but there's still more layers. Bring to mind now the conversations, the events connected with this person which disturbed you, made you angry or sad. It's all right to feel anger or hatred or attack. They're just energies. Just make the situation real to you. Perhaps you felt a victim, unjustifiably treated. If no one comes to mind, just choose someone you don't like. Now feel in your body where you're holding these feelings, these emotions, connected with this person. Allow the feelings to be there. If you can, just place an accepting hand over that area of your body. Say to yourself, I accept these feelings of whatever they are. They're part of me. Now repeat the sentence. I accept these feelings of whatever they are. They're part of me. And say it one last time, that sentence. And now imagine the person standing in front of you. If this feels a bit threatening, you can see this person as a small distressed child who, like you, is trying to cope with life and its challenges. And again, it's all right to feel negative towards them. And as you look at them, they start to change into a full-length mirror. So now you're looking at yourself. Turn to your inner guide and ask it to explain to you, in what way is my behavior similar to this person? Am I capable of similar behavior, albeit in a different form? What's this relationship showing me? Do I have their fears as well? Perhaps you understand them a little better now. Try and become aware of their fear and their pain, and see it as a call for your love. You understand how their fear and pain makes them behave as they do. See the person in front of you again. And say to them, I have no right to say you must be different. I have no right to say you must be different from the way you are. Now say to them, I love and accept you exactly as you are. I love and accept you exactly as you are. Is there anything you need to say to them? They're in your mind. You draw them to you. Anything you want to share with them? And they may have things to share with you. Spend a little time with them. If you can, thank them for being your teacher, your mirror. If you can, you might be able to give them a hug. Become aware of any remaining pain in your body where you placed your hand over. And tell yourself it no longer serves you to hold on to it. And now ask for help from the guide that's with you. As you breathe in, they pour light into that area of pain to dissolve it, to lovingly surround it. With each breath, you draw in the love of your guide to that area of your body. If you want, as you imagine, as you breathe out, that pain is released and just changes back into light. Take what time you need to complete with the exercise, and when you're ready, just bring yourself back to the room.